Hello viewer, it's a flower design we are using there. I will take a different option to make it more attractive there. So let's use another shape, change the pattern, keep making the different designs. So we will find another custom shape that it is to apply on the both. We will fill a pattern into it. We can scale it up and make it more attractive. So that's it.